Hello guys, I'm Sitra. You watch Magic Pinkoo Art. Let's start today. We draw a 2D or 3D shapes. Circle shapes, diamond shapes, semicircle, pentagon, groupies, last final cross shape. Let's start color time. Circle inside color is red. Circle is final. Let's start diamond shape. Green color. Diamond. Circle, inside color is brown. Semicircle. Pentagon shape, inside color is light green. Pentagon. Trophy's inside color is orange. Let's start cross in pink color. So guys, thanks to keep watching and please like, share and subscribe my channel, and my shapes is finally ready. Thank you. Please like my channel, subscribe.